Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
*** for a non-alcoholic or virgin Coquito, cut out the rum, and replace it with 1 cup ice-cold coconut or whole milk and 1 cup ice-cold filtered water. ****, like most fats, coconut oil solidifies in the cold, sometimes making this drink very thick after a night in the fridge.
Take our lead.
4 days. All the wonderful creamy and boozy holiday drinks South Florida loves, Coquito, Crema de Vie, cremas and Ponche Crema, which are all better than eggnog, will only keep in the fridge for 4 days after they are made, a USDA spokesperson said.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, the drink is served chilled and should be refrigerated. But it also requires refrigeration given its dairy ingredients, which will go off when left out for an extended period of time. Coquito drinks made without eggs also have a longer shelf life and can last for a few months once refrigerated.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some people describe Coquito as Puerto Rican eggnog. Coquito, for example, usually doesn't have sugar added. You get the sugar in the condensed milk and the cream of coconut. Eggnog has raw eggs, hence the name. Coquito may or may not have a little bit of egg in it, but it's not the star of the show.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 to 3 days. Homemade eggnog typically lasts 2 to 3 days if stored in 40 degrees or less under the proper conditions. Store-bought eggnog lasts 5 to 7 days with an opening if it has been refrigerated. Canned eggnog lasts 4 to 5 months and around 5 to 7 days after opening.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.